Hello, coding stars! Welcome back to another exciting ScratchJr adventure. Today, we're unlocking the power of conditional logic, a fancy way of making your characters react to different events. Ready to make your project smarter and more fun? Let's dive in! Let's create an awesome dance-off scene with two fun characters showing off their coolest moves. By using message blocks and creative motion sequences, you'll unlock the magic of if this happens, then do that. When one dancer finishes their routine, they'll trigger the next character to jump into action, building a fun, synchronized dance party scene. Open a new project and choose a vibrant background like a stage or party scene. Add two characters for your dance-off. Resize them as needed to fit the stage. For the first character, drag a start on green flag block. Add a sequence of jump, spin, and move blocks. Finish the sequence with a send orange message block. For the second character, drag a start on orange message block. Create a different dance sequence using blocks. Add music for extra fun. Now tap the green flag and watch your characters have an epic dance-off. These activities show how coding lets you bring your stories and games to life through events and reactions just like real programmers do. Fantastic work, coding stars! Keep creating and experimenting. Don't forget to share your amazing dance-offs or games in the comments. And please like, share, and subscribe for more exciting coding adventures. Until next time, happy coding!